Hello, curious folks. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing fine and gearing up for the placement season. Today, we will be talking about reasoning ability, which is one of the most weighted section in the screening test. We will be discussing about the strategies that most of the smart students follow in order to crack this section effortlessly. Let us quickly crawl through today's agenda. We will understand the importance of reasoning ability. Then we will see the types of questions asked in our RA section. Then I will tell you some important concepts that you cannot afford to ignore. Then I will tell you a smart strategy that most of the students follow in order to get a good score. And lastly, I have a surprise for you. Let us see why is reasoning ability section one of the most important part of screening test. It has the highest weightage. The table given below is the prescribed syllabus of Infosys Campus Drive, where we can clearly identify the number of questions asked for reasoning ability section is more than the number of questions asked for technical ability and numerical puzzle. Reasoning ability section is often considered as the selection deciding section because it tests your multitasking ability, how you can prioritize and manage number of questions effectively. And nowadays it is a part of every exam including EG entrances and other competitive exams. The questions in RA section can be broadly classified into two parts. The first one is set-based questions. These are the set of questions that may or may not be dependent on one another and are a part of one single prompt. The second one is standalone questions. These are the independent questions that can be solved without taking the help of other questions or prompt. After a lot of research, I have found out some of the important concepts that you cannot afford to ignore. The first one is time saver questions. This include blood relations, number and letter series, number and letter analogies, non-verbal reasoning, direction sense, symbols and notations. The second one is time consuming questions. These include arrangements, both linear and circular, binary logic, coding decoding, and Venn diagram. Now coming to strategy, we will be following a 3S SMART strategy that stands for select, solve and score. We will be dividing the 30 minutes time into three parts, that is 3, 15 and 12, where 3 minutes for select, 15 for solve and 12 for score. Now let us look at how the 3S strategy works. The first one, select. Let us spend initial 3 minutes in selecting the sets that we are going to attempt. Each set has two aspects, the story of set and the problem statement. The story of set is the context of set, that is, it tells you what exactly is happening in the set. You get this from the common information given. For most of the sets, you wouldn't have a problem in understanding. However, if there is a set that is too lengthy or looks like a Godzilla, just don't leave it. First try to understand the story. If the story itself seems confusing, then leave it straight away. The second one, problem statement. Okay, so now you know what is happening in the set. Next, what are you supposed to do in the set? Look at the questions that are being asked. That gives you a clear idea as to what needs to be done in the set. The second one, solving. Spend the next 15 minutes solving the set you have selected and please keep a tab on time. For example, if you are selecting 3 sets, then allocate 5 minutes to each one. If that 5 minutes is over, move on to the next set immediately. There is no point in spending too much time on a single set. The last one, scoring. Spend the last 12 minutes in maximizing your score. You can answer all the standalone questions. You might find sets where each question is to be solved individually and not as a whole set. You can probably choose questions like that, and you can get back to some of the sets you have left midway. Now, coming to the surprise, I am giving you free placement preparation notes. You have to just fill a form at tinyurl.com/placemeutkarsh. Until then, keep motivating me by subscribing to my channel, and please share this video if you think this might help your friends. Thank you.